Hi everybody, hope your day is going well. We are back with another reaction. Larkin Poe, Summertime Sunset on Sounds of the Road. This was a request by Dave. Thank you for the coffees, I truly appreciate it. And Dave told me a couple of facts. They won a Grammy, I think for contemporary blues. And apparently Larkin Poe, great grandfather. I don't know if the greats are right. I didn't count them. The great-grandfather, his cousin, was Edgar Allan Poe. So let's see if lyricism is in the genes. Ooh.
How she do it criminal, moves like a millionaire. She's such a stunner, it hurts to watch too long. Like a summertime sunset, she burns until she's gone.
Yo, this sounds cool. Is that how contemporary blues sounds? Yo, I never heard it. This is a cool sound, man. My baby is a killer. Yo, hey, come on. That's a powerful song, powerful verse.
Summertime sunset, she burns until she's gone. So hot in the summertime, so long as you on my mind. Swing those sweet cherry pie, so the mama got you on my mind. A day structured in a fur coat, yeah. Trains her eyes on you.
Ooh, she speaks in a whisper. A silence 22. Ooh. Ooh. Hey, man, I like the sound of this. And it's like really, you know, you paint a picture, yo, of a powerful woman. Ooh.
Structured in a fur coat, yeah. Trains her eyes on you. A bruise is her color. She'll never break the skin. Like a first time cigarette. She looks good and she uses it.
What was that? Like a first time cigarette? Oof, I remember that one. Yo, I'm glad I got off of them, yo.
First time cigarette. She looks good and she uses it.
It's definitely in the South, right? Well, the city that we saw in the beginning of the video, it must have been somewhere in the South, like, I don't know, Dallas or Austin. Let me know if you know. Maybe it was somewhere in the beginning. I don't know. But this like sweet cherry pie, I think that's also like a Southern reference. I would love to visit there once, man. Need to save up. Come on. Woo. badass, man. Epic, yo. I was like, I was hypnotized. Oh, come on. It's badass. I like the sound of that. And, you know, based on the lyrics I've heard so far, there's some poetry in the Poe name. The poetry stem from Poe? I don't know. Did it? Oh! Damn. Let's go. Hey, that was epic, man. I can't believe this. This deserves many, many, many more views than it has. Come on. That was, you know, seeing people getting lost in the music. You know, they're performing for people, but in a way, they also just, you know, they would do it like that when without the crowd too, because they love it so much. They just give it their all, man. Wow, that was epic to see. Just rocking out, everybody giving their best performance, and the people seem to enjoy it. Like, wasn't it even a big crowd, man? You were privileged to be there. Amazing. Epic. Thank you for requesting this, Dave, once again. Thank you for the support. Hope I'll see you in another video. Have a great day. Goodbye.